Okay. Okay. This one.
Hi, Vishal.
Good morning,
Sir, good
everybody.
morning, everyone.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir, fine. Good morning, sir.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, sahib, કેમ છો?
Pajama. Hi, Sudhir.
Good morning, Satish ji.
Good
morning, sir.
morning. Your watch is working very well. Those who join the meeting on time, they don't need to change their watch.
Great.
The watch is accurate.
More people are coming in.
Yeah. Right now we are.
Hi, Samir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Iyer.
Good morning, Iyer.
Nice to hear your voice.
Who with me?
Good morning, Ayarji.
Good morning.
That shows that Cosmos members are alert. No COVID can touch them. Everybody is looking forward to this meeting.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi. Hi, you.
Yeah, good morning, Sanju.
Namaste, sir. Hello.
Hi,
Hello,
Sanju.
good morning.
Good morning.
आगे आगे.
मैंने चश्मा नहीं लगाया तो कोई लोग पहचान नहीं पाते हैं मुझे.
अब आपको सब लोग पहचानते हैं, चश्मे को नहीं पहचानते.
We are 12 now.
Yes.
Hi.
एक सुन नहीं रहे हैं.
तीसरा बटन दबाने को बोला था ना वो दबा के तो दो.
Everybody unmute your microphone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Introduce yourself. Hello, newcomers. Please introduce yourself.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Shakir Miran, Star Switchgears, Bangalore.
Nice. Welcome.
Okay.
I think, sir, if we can just everybody put their names on in that renaming the participant list, it's easier.
Hi, myself Vishal Sangvi. Myself Vishal Sangvi. It's my father Praveen Sangvi from R Sangvi Mercantile Private Limited, Mumbai. Satish uncle saying that.
So I am Samir Kaji from Select Controls.
Who is Kirti Pradeep? He is coming on the. His name is coming.
Pradeep's name is coming Kirti Pradeep.
Yeah, that's my wife's Zoom. Hello, this is Pradeep Chabria here from Feed Trading Syndicate. We have been distributors for EPCOS for Western for Maharashtra and South India. We are from Bombay. Hello. Sudhir ji.
Hi.
Anupam was there. Anupam?
Yes, sir. This is Anupam here. If you can see me. Yeah. Anupam here from Sunescent Valve. We manufacture enclosures for square motor control sector.
Hi, Ramani.
Hi, Mr. Kasi Saab. Kaise hain?
Bas, welcome.
Sorry?
Welcome, I said.
Thank you, thank you.
You have to show the trick of how to increase it to 100. Very many people to join. We are unable to make them.
Yeah.
You said you have 170 people yesterday.
Yes, indeed. It is amazing.
Yes, we thought probably 40-50 would turn up, so we had booked for 100, and suddenly we realized that it was going up, so we quickly extended it to 300, and it peaked at about 173.
Excellent, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's the power of the subject. It's a subject which everybody wants to know about, so it makes a lot of sense.
Yes, I.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ आनंद साहब.
Hello. Now I can hear actually. अभी actually मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रहा था इतना देर से, तो कुछ सेटिंग मुझे अभी मिल गया. इधर उधर हाथ दबाया तो साला हो गया. रमणी साहब, great.
Good morning, everybody.
अच्छा समीर, should you can start. मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रीफिंग करता हूँ, बाद में आप लोग चालू कर सकते हैं. पहले तो नाम जो है वो नाम सबको एक्सेप्टेबल है क्या जरा देखिए, नहीं तो कुछ अच्छा नाम दीजिए. Then we'll start with the name.
Alright, no problem.
Satish sir.
Can we call it Cosma Brother Road?
Yeah, I can. वो कुछ problem नहीं.
Okay. What's wrong with Cosma Cluster?
Cosma Cluster actually अच्छा है.
I took
community also sounds good.
I think we should do away with only.
Actually, we call it as a. हाँ बोलो ना. Hello.
Let us keep it simple, sir. Only let it be Cosma only.
थोड़ा सा फर्क होना चाहिए एक्चुअली, फर्क होना चाहिए. हाँ, क्योंकि कॉस्मा जनरलाइज हो गया है बहुत.
I endorse Cosma Cluster. मतलब it's a practical name. It makes sense.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. Cosma Cluster is I think finalized because Cosma Cluster again it is recognized by government bodies also. You can get some recognition by government bodies also. So it is there in their government papers.
Yeah.
So let us finalize government Cosma Cluster. Okay.
Yes.
Next point.
I agree.
हाँ बताइए. हाँ.
Big clap. Cosma Cluster.
Okay, let us.
Okay, great.
Okay, now we start.
Start will done by Samir. Samir, आप चालू कीजिए.
Okay, I'll share screen.
Joseph, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good.
Yeah. Samir is starting with his presentation. Start, Samir.
Yeah, so the aim here is to see the process through the slide, that is the topics of whatever we are going to discuss will be there on the slide. The whole purpose is to take one through the possibilities of collaboration and then to go through the practical aspects of how to make it work. So this is simply a progression, and wherever we end up in a discussion, that what are the points that we encounter, and then what are the suggestions or the inputs given by people. These can be noted by Anand sir or anybody who is supposed to note the minutes, and then we can, actually progress this forward as the time goes. So the goal here is to make a system or a process by which we can take this forward. All right. So we start with the market side. So as a backdrop, I must say that a lot of business is driven in this country by people who are more powerful. So we all end up working for people who have greater clout, and all the influence is governed a lot by them, because of brand or whatever else. So the aim is not to overturn that. Maybe we can't overturn or change it dramatically, but the aim is to get a larger share of the pie that comes to us collaboratively, rather than giving up everything. That way we get a larger share of the business. That's the goal. So in that process, we want to look at who is the customer first. Can we address customers jointly? So this is one of the goals.
हाँ, बराबर है सर, बताइए ना. अच्छा, जानने दीजिए आपका आगे.
Yeah, so is this, anybody has any comment, input on any of these points and looking at the market?
नहीं, of course, market study has to be there. अपना customer कौन है, that is most important. और jointly हम लोग कैसे उसको attack कर सकते हैं, वो important है. Jointly is the main word actually. मेरा बात हो गया. अभी आगे बात कीजिए. कोई
I will give an example. So any project is normally managed by a system integrator, and the system integrator follows the path given by a consultant or by the customer's approved supplier by the consultant, and then shops around for components. This is one example of a chain. Now, instead of this, if the system integrator and the component providers approached the customer directly and convince him that, yes, please convince your consultant to have these elements, and these people work together to reduce costs. So then the system integrator has a greater say in what to use, and between the two of them, they can make a more viable proposition for themselves while benefiting the customer as well. So this innovation will happen. Otherwise, each one is limited to its own space. So this is one aspect. This is one example that I can give, where approaching a customer directly and influencing him jointly can make a difference.
Yeah.
हाँ, ये तो बात बहुत बराबर है, क्योंकि क्या है मालूम है सब, देयर आर सम कस्टमर्स, they get quotations from the 4 to 5 people assorted, and उनके साथ में वो झगड़ा लगा देते हैं और प्राइस कम करके लेते हैं, बहुत सारा चीज करते हैं. हम लोग जॉइंटली 5 लोग उधर जाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ एडवांटेज ना, ऑफ कोर्स. वही बात करना चाहिए ना, बराबर है ना समीर?
Yes, that's right.
हाँ, तो जॉइंटली जाना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो ये आपका
Right.
बात एकदम परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट, एकदम परफेक्ट है. ठीक है.
So
I think this point is okay.
May I request everyone who isn't talking to mute themselves so that when the speaker is speaking, then it is more clear to all of us.
Okay, agreed.
So the purpose again is how can we get a larger share of what is to be done, and this can be achieved if we think of business avenues. So for example, let's take somebody is working in HVAC business, somebody else is working in maybe the food industry. So different people may work, somebody may work in the pump industry. So as people are working in different business avenues, these avenues and applications will throw up certain kinds of demand. Now within the COSMA community, as this process of focused application area, if people come together and work out what is a solution there, then one is more confident, and working, it will require certain preparation, certain R&D, certain background. But because there is collaboration, there is a certain surety that what work we are doing together will have a result. And that is why avenues where people have access to markets can again be looked at as application-based solutions. So this is one aspect. The second aspect is that within the community, if we have allegiance to each other on procurements or on working together, then one is having a assured business, and different people can have different expertise. But once you know somebody has expertise, you know whom to go to, but the whole community will go to that person. Such development efforts will not be without a ready market available. So if there are 20 people who say, if you do X, Y, Z work, we will definitely buy from you. And in turn, their customers also can be promised. After all, everything is a chain. So if we work this chain and plan it, we will have more opportunity. Of course, this will happen through the sharing process.
Agreed. Go ahead, sir.
So now, if we want to address customers, the roles have to be divided. Like I mentioned in the beginning, system integrator, component maker, expertise in a given market, etc. And when one is going to the customer, the visit should be jointly done so that the customer understands that these people are together, and also there is equal opportunity for both parties to be directly in connection with the customer. So the customer is covered. Tomorrow, if there is a maintenance requirement, the customer does not have to worry. Normally, the end customer should dictate all the parts that go into a system. This way, he gets the chance to know all the participants. And these partnerships can be announced to customers. So this is the way we can approach a joint working.
Samir, we have this partnership at marketing level. We
Right.
should have it down the manufacturing level also. Design and manufacturing level.
Means?
That means suppose I am using a lot of your product. I should start my design in kind of understanding or collaboration with your design people, so that application of your product by me in my final product is correct. Because
that's right.
Today the major problem is of application, just providing the product.
Yes, yes. No,
Correct
that's
product
correct.
is very important.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct, actually. That's exactly what I meant, maybe put more explicitly by you, but by saying that on the previous slide, that is what I meant, actually.
Yeah.
So I agree with that. Yeah.
Would you like to take the discussions at the end, or should we take it as we progress slide on slide?
I think we should take it as we progress slide on slide.
Okay, in that case, for the previous slide, here is my take. As far as business collaborations are concerned, just want to share with you that in Bangalore, we have a panel builder by name VV Controls, and he has diversified into e-houses. And as I have been looking at marketing Modutech overseas, I got a customer who asked me whether I could supply him an e-house, which is containerized, complete motor control center with all the equipment inside. And I said, hold on, I'll get back. And I spoke to the managing director of VV Controls, Venkat Prasad, and he said, why not? And we are actually in the process of quoting for this together. And in this process, I would be able to leverage his strengths and he would be able to leverage my contacts. And together we are able to approach business which we would not have been able to approach otherwise. Going on to the purchasing together as a policy, as a thought process, it's a very good approach. But where this is likely to fall flat on its face is when it comes to mutual trust on the payment terms. And so I feel that we need to leverage people who can come in as a mediator to ensure that bill discounting is done, where the panel builder gets his credit, and yet the Cosma cluster gets its assurance that that there will not be any delay in the payment. We'll have to see how to work around that. And so these 2 points I just thought I'd share.
So Ramani, you are virtually if you are going to supply the to the customer in knockdown condition.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
You will be supplying the MCC to the customer in a knockdown condition. Customer is only to assemble it at site. Am I?
Yeah, that is a concept behind Modutech. But what I was talking about is a different aspect altogether, where we are talking about a containerized. It's called an e-house, where you have even the medium voltage switchgear, the transformer, and the low voltage switchgear, and whatever other parts which the customer would want inside a container.
You will save on it also.
Yeah, I mean, there are many advantages to the containerized MCC, and this is a new trend, and there are people who are entering into this business, so it's worth exploring.
Right. Okay, so I agree with both points. The one example I think is perfect, that there is this kind of leverage between two people, and the second being payment as a blockage, payment as a deal breaker. So that has to be addressed separately, which I do agree and can be looked at.
Can I add something in terms of payment?
Yeah, please.
Continuing with this purchasing and payment aspects, we can select a particular supplier with whom we can collectively negotiate. And when it comes to payment, NSIC has got a provision. It is a raw material assistance scheme, wherein the people who are registered with NSIC will mediate the payment. NSIC will extend the credit to us for 90 days or 120 days, whatever is pre-agreed upon. NSIC will make the payment to the vendor on our behalf. On the expiry of the credit period, we have to make the payment to NSIC. For this, we have to give NSIC a 1-year bank guarantee. By this, the payment to the vendor is also secured, and he will be able to give us a better pricing. And the payment happens to him immediately without credit period, whereas we get the credit period. So this is one thing we can explore.
Yeah, I agree with both the inputs. What I suggest is that the modalities and mechanisms available for payments be outlined separately, and maybe we take a separate, session on what is agreed, or what are the avenues available, because that is going to come at the transaction level and always going to come in. We only don't want it to stop business. In the end, people's credibilities are going to matter, and the problem normally occurs when the customer doesn't pay, and down the whole chain suffers. So really speaking, it's much more about the end customer paying, which has to be importantly addressed, more than who is paying each other or not. So we must factor that in, but I do think that there is another day on which we can take that topic really.
Okay, there will be some more Zoom meeting on this aspect, and Sanjeev will drive that system Zoom meeting, because Sanjeev has worked on it. So we'll have next Zoom meeting on payment terms. We can continue with the next point.
Sure. Okay. So when we have a joint discussion, there can also be all the opportunities available to us discussed in, like how Ramani mentioned right now, there is a new trend in, what you call containers, or whatever, this system that puts together all the things in yeah. So like that, the different opportunities can be shared and discussed, and how can we enter into some of these opportunities. So this is more of a brainstorm on what is good for us to do, or what we can embark upon together, and how we together as a COSMA cluster, how can we bring ourselves to take a larger share of this pie. So this is the other side. Look at the opportunities and see how we can go together into these opportunities.
Yeah, perfectly right. Marketing is the main thing actually for your business. So you have to focus on marketing. So again, on this marketing, we'll have one more Zoom meeting after the payment terms. So it is a very big meeting actually. So, that meeting is also booked.
Very often what happens is that individually, since we are unable to attack the opportunity, we know about it, but we don't do anything about it. But if we study all the opportunities, and 2 or 3 or 4 people, or even just 2 people come together, discuss it, then some of these opportunities can actually be something that people might venture into or get into. So this is the point which I think it's very good if we have another session on this.
Yes, there will be a session. I'll give a small example. See, I worked out for railways for last 2 years and become successful. And there is a particular process to get inside the railways, and there is a very good business in railways. So definitely I can share all these things to all our COSMA members to get into railways. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
There is a defense also. Yes. Yeah, please continue.
So I think that this type of sharing will open up the avenues for people, or at least avenues which they didn't see individually, they can see it together. Now, how do we get going? So if everybody knows about each other better, this can happen either nowadays, maybe virtually, and of course, when possible. I think COSMA already has been visiting different companies. The members of COSMA are visiting, and so it's already started, and I think everybody is involved in it. But we can do it, continue doing it, and make sure that people know about each other better. And of course, when people get together, or they see where they can help each other, they will contact each other as well, and then arrange one-on-one meetings, so that whoever has mutual interests or possibilities, we can arrange one-on-one meetings, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is. And we make, people should, I mean, this is not a compulsion, but at the end of, let's say, a month, we kind of conclude that, okay, these are the things we can do together, these are the things we cannot work, or there is no relation, or whatever it is. But there is a time frame by which people are aware, okay, what came out of all this engagement. So,
Anand,
हाँ बोलो ना, हाँ बोलो ना,
your
सुन रहा हूँ.
idea of indirectly of COSMA members will help.
Yes.
What you plan for indirectly, it will also give every member
हाँ.
specialization. For example,
हाँ.
I am specializing in automation in MCC for
हाँ.
process industry that you
बराबर
mentioned
है.
in the directory. Then
हाँ.
suppose other party is interested in joining hands with me in marketing efforts. He knows
हाँ.
whom to join hands with. It has to be specific effort, not random effort.
Perfectly right. So that already we are working on actually, and that platform is getting ready. So definitely we'll add that all this. उसका सबका plus points क्या है वो उसमें mention करने का. So we'll get to know who is expert in what and उसका skill set क्या है. The main.
Anand, एक format circulate करो among COSMA members. They can fill up and send to you by email, and then you can complete directory.
Yes,
so perfectly right. So one side is the market expertise, the other side is the technical competence.
Right. Just a second. I'd like to just inform everyone that in about 8 minutes to 9 minutes, this video is going to go blank. So the Zoom time is going to get over. So we all need to be rebooting again with the same meeting ID and the same password.
All right. Okay.
Continue.
So, if we present in turn, each company makes, sometimes the presentation can even be shorter. We can make a 5 to 7 minute presentation, which is shared across the screen, so that the first cut understanding will allow people to know what each other can, have interest for. And then have one-on-one meetings lined up for that can be fixed mutually.
Okay.
So,
okay.
So what is the
Hello.
So what
continue,
is
continue.
important? Yeah. Sorry, somebody saying something? Yeah. What is important is the spirit of this work. That there is so much business, there is no need to think of each other as competitor at any time. Because once a particular segment of work is decided by one or more, two or more people to come together, these have got enough avenues in the marketplace. COSMA is too small a group to think of competition between each other within itself at any time. And collaboration is going to be the only way where the larger market is looked at. And therefore, however, wherever groups come together, they should be non-competing groups where there is direct conflict of interest. And if such a group is formed, they can work together. So if one or two groups in the whole of COSMA are made like this, so that directly conflicting people don't end up coming together. There is conflict of interest has to be avoided. That's the only purpose. So wherever groups are forming, not to have conflicting positions, so that there is a greater feeling of sharing and a greater feeling of trust. This is the only other point that might come in the way of working together.
Yes, that is true.
Right. Point agreed. Next, sir.
Shall we start your screen sharing from next
Yeah,
meeting?
just
I put up
sorry?
my screen. This is what I am specializing in, or I am.
Yeah, that we can do in the next meeting. Yeah.
For that, ideally, like you said, there should be a format for the form to be filled up.
Yeah.
Similarly, there should be a format for what presentation to be presented, so that
That's
we
right.
all having a uniform, present.
That's right. So
that format and the screen will be same, no, more or less.
Yeah, we can do that, but if we complete, you know, we can do that in a format that, okay, what is the market side expertise, what is the product side expertise, and what can somebody use that expertise for? So we'll have to create a format.
I
Not
suggest
difficult, I think it's...
Anand and Samir can work on this and create the format as early as possible.
Sure, okay, no problem.
Yes, done. We'll decide and finalize. Yes, continue.
I would also recommend that Shakir can come in, because he has created this addresses collation. In the same thing, he will be in a position to put in this 15-minute presentation of each panel builder. It can all go online, and going online will be important.
Yeah, good point.
Definitely, I can help and then work with Samir sir and Anand sir and put together a format where we can collect all the information from the panel builders and other members from the group and put together in a nice format where we can all share the information with each other.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. In fact, you know, the shorter the presentation, the better it is, because then in the meeting, we can go through it and it registers. Later on, we can share it as well for ready lookup. So it is available for ready lookup for immediate mind, you know, attraction, because when one is looking at the screen and everybody's together, you tend to pay attention. Sometimes you just receive a mail with a document, you don't tend to see it. But if you have it for ready reference, you recollect, I had heard this, and you go back to the reference. So both are required. So,
yes, agreed.
Yeah. So I think that the role of COSMA is also required a little bit to help groups, because sometimes people who can help each other need to be of similar size and fit. So a little bit of coordination. COSMA will not rule anything, will not decide anything, but can suggest, can nudge people. Why don't you meet with so-and-so? Why can't you get together with so-and-so? You know, it's just a way of bringing people together. So that's the other thing which is to add to the, you know, process. And the other thing that I think is that many smaller companies within the COSMA group, we can attach them to a little larger group, like a mentor, you know, a person who can advise a younger person or a newer person or a smaller company how to scale, how to work. So within the COSMA community, the smaller people can get advice from the larger people or the more experienced people, whichever way you may look at it, right? So there can be programs later on where you have a kind of get together, which is in this form, the questions of COSMA people are answered by the people of the experience within the COSMA group. So each time you come up with a topic, you can have once in 2 or 3 months a topical sharing session where you have questions and answers to help everybody come up better. It's a collaborative process. And you know, in this whole collaboration, what will happen is that this, if it works, will attract other companies to the COSMA fold. So where you find more suppliers, more people who can work together and come into this, it will definitely expand COSMA's reach. This is my view.
Sir, your mentorship idea is great and it will definitely work out. Continue, sir.
No, this has to be done on month basis.
Yeah, I mean, we have to figure out the format for it. But I think that month on month is great if it's possible. It all depends on people's interest and how it happens. You know, normally I feel if you have smaller sessions and now online is really working, a 1 hour online session month on month is very feasible. When you have...
Do you people think that if we can come out with a monthly e-issue of COSMA News, it will help?
Yeah, we're talking of something else right now in this context, where we're saying that there is a program where senior people within the COSMA are advising the whole COSMA community on a particular topic or area, where questions and answers, or especially questions, can be addressed, so that it becomes an event by itself for about an hour.